eraser.
Take my pencil.
If your pencil is not sharp enough, you can sharpener.
Where's your pencil? Nggak kelihatan because I already like remember what's it like gitu loh. Remember what's it like.
Okay, today we will continue our lesson from Pendulum 8. Pendulum 8. Rachel was not there, so you were missing the Pendulum 7. Oh, but if you see the Pendulum 7, if you move back to Pendulum 7, Emma and Risha, can you tell Rachel what was that? Is it difficult? Was it difficult? Was it kind of? Risha, after you sharp your you make your pencil sharp, you can open the page and then take a look at Pendulum 7 first. Pendulum 7. You there? And if you see this number, this is 112439 Can you imagine about the number, the pattern of the number? Remember, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And then above is 1, 4, 9, 16. What if here is 5? What it would be?
10,
Close?
15,
No. Close. 4.
20,
Yeah, 3 close.
25.
Yeah, that's 25. Maybe you can write that this is 5 and this is 25. Why it's happened? Why it's not 10? Sorry. Why it's not 10?
25.
Iya, kenapa? Kok bisa 25? Cuma kita dapat dia 25. So how many times? 5, right? And this is, and if you see this is 5 times 5. This is 4 times. How many 4? Yeah, how many times you will times 4 into 16? 4, 8.
I forgot what's after 8.
After 8 is 9, but 4 times 3?
4 times 3. 12.
Yeah, 12, and then 4 times 4? 16. Yeah, so if you see this is 4 times 4 is 16. And then this is how many times? 3 times?
3
Yeah.
times 3.
Yeah, and then here 2 times? 2. Yeah, so if you see, if you put the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then this is 6, what number will you multiply? 6 with what? With 5 or with 4 or with 6? With 6 times 6, 6 times 5 or 6 times 4? If you see the pattern here, 1 times 1, 2 times 2, 3 times 3, 4 times 4, 5 times 5. What if here is 6?
Times 6.
Yeah, and then this is 7 times 7, 8 times 8, 9 times 9, 10 times 10. So this is the pendulum square. So we don't need to count like so many times, but if we remember the pattern of this, we can get easily for the answer. Yeah, that's the key. Okay, next move to the 8. What we were already number 2, yeah? Are we done for number 2? The 8?
I don't understand.
The pendulum 8. Are we done for number 2? There's no voice. Why so quiet?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, the last one? You didn't count?
No.
Oh, here. You put the number here. Oh. And was that close or way too off?
Close.
Close, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
And
Go.
okay. Now I want you to make. Wait. I want you to make. Okay. We need to do all of these for the next activity. So I want you to make. You got the 16 pendulum. Can you make 20 centimeter long of drop?
Get me a better please.
20, yeah. 20.
Yes.
Or you can make it 25.
Oh, 28, 25.
25.
Okay. It's like a name of a character I really want, that's all.
Yeah.
And because I found this on the green word. I just
Oh,
like that. Because the name of a character is like green or something. Yeah, that's what I think.
did it eraser guys? Yeah.
Oh, is it yesterday or is it today? Yesterday. Wednesday. Characters were like, your character, Kim. Kim. That's what you always talk about. It's not Minecraft. It's not Minecraft. Yeah. But she don't know this character yet. She only knows what the old characters. I know the new characters.
If you done 25, can you type?
Ganti tadinya.
Nggak apa-apa, nggak apa-apa. Can you tie it with the
Yeah.
yeah.
What the word Rich. So urge actually like yeah. He can already play with Python.
Yes.
Something like Python. Like
Okay, let's go.
he's like actually playing. He's actually playing like us or something like that. You know?
Yeah.
Except like he cannot like drink or eat by himself. He can drink milk by himself like this and drink with cup by himself like this. But if glass, no, it will spill.
Done?
Probably too heavy for him or
You?
something. No, it will spill. Like he loves to play with water. Like you do this on purpose. Look. Wow.
We have 6.
Like he's a little kid. So
Yeah.
like there is like this drink over here, and then he's like, does he understand English? Yes. Like when you say something like yes, but sometimes he ignores us. Probably don't understand. No. One day he understands, then the other day, like something bad happened. Like don't do it, don't do it. He's just like, I'm ignoring you.
That's 16. Okay, let's count the cycles together. For 15 minutes, yeah? 15 minutes, too long. For 15 seconds. 15 seconds. Do you remember how to count the cycles, Michelle?
Yes.
Ready? 15 seconds. Ready, set.
Up. 18.
Bisa tuh? How many? 18. So 18 for 15 minutes. And
50 seconds.
yeah, sorry, 15 seconds. 18 cycles for 15 seconds. And if we want to know about 1 minute cycles, how many times we should multiply?
2.
2 or 4? 2 or 4? 4 or 2? It is 15 seconds.
Oh, 4. Oh, 4.
4? Yeah, you're right. Okay. 18 times 4. How many? 4 times 8 is
8, 32.
yeah. And 1 times 4,
4 plus 37.
72. Okay. We have. Can you please write in the here in the after the arrow on number 3? That's 72. Oh, sorry, not yeah, 72. Emma, can you show it to Michelle? Number 3 after the arrow.
So I write
72 C per M.
72. Yes, C.
Okay. And do you know what is the answer of the book? How many cycles per minute from the book? It's 75. So you're really, really, really close. Now let's do the next number. Okay, for 25 centimeter, no, 1 centimeter pendulum.
Wait, miss, I write over here, right?
Yeah, you're right.
Oh, okay.
That's right. Okay, now let's compare 16 centimeter pendulum with 1 centimeter pendulum. Can you guys see?
No, yeah. There's a table here.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, no.
This is removed.
Whoa.
Okay. Let's compare the 16 centimeter pendulum with 1. And 1 centimeter. Michelle, which one is longer? 16 or 1?
16.
Yeah, and then 1 centimeter pendulum will be look like this.
Small.
Yeah, and the 16 will be looking like this.
Oh my god, it doesn't even fit our table then.
This is just for example.
Oh, example.
Yeah, and then if it's short, if the 1 centimeter pendulum is shorter, how many times it's shorter than the 16 centimeter?
16 times.
Yeah, you're right. So this is 16 times shorter?
Wait.
Or longer? 1 centimeter pendulum is 16 times
Shorter.
yeah. Shorter than the 16 centimeter. Then you can write it down in the first box of 1 centimeter.
What do I
That one. Because that is the box for length.
Oh,
Shorter.
16 times.
16 times shorter than 1 centimeter. Yeah, you got it? Okay. If that is 16 times shorter than well, I mean 16 times shorter than 16 centimeter.
Gak cukup ya, Miss.
Gak cukup, kecil-kecil banget di samping. I know it. Or you can make it like apa itu namanya? Cikatan. 16 centimeter short or like this. You can use this symbol. Then
Kita kayak I write it small.
yeah.
I have There's space left.
Okay. Now you have 16 yeah for the key.
Pencil the sharp.
Okay, this is the key box of the number. The box of the key number. We have 16. What the below number will be? Do you remember that? If we have 16 above, what number will be?
10.
1 times what equals 16?
1 times 4.
Yeah, you're right. So we have 16 and 4. It means we can do like if there is 16 times shorter, the 4 is okay. Wait. The 1 centimeter and 16 centimeter, which one is faster?
1 centimeter.
Okay. And if it's if 1 centimeter 16 times shorter than this one, how many times faster then?
60.
No. We have already 16 times shorter. Then how many times faster? We will use this number.
4.
4 times.
4 times. I can't see the number. Kok kayak tidak kelihatan.
Masa sih?
Yeah.
Is it because of what?
From yeah, because it's wet. I can't see it. Like do it. I don't know. I can't see it. Wait, where's the ruler? Oh my god! It's standing for real. Yeah, it's standing for real. You knocked it off. Yeah.
How about now, Emma? Can you see?
Yeah. Yes. Way clear. Instead of 4. I see the number 4.
So this is 4 times faster. That you can write on the next box after you write this one. Only 3 said it right. What of you don't know?
Ya sudah tahu sama. Terus sama M. 4 times.
4 times
4 times hamster.
faster, yeah.
Oh, I thought Emma said 4 times hamster like that. I thought Emma said that.
4 times faster than 16. If we have faster, we should divide or times. Times. So the number that you have from 16 centimeter before, what number do you have? The 16 one in the last box.
72.
So 72 times 4. Can you times it with 4? 72 times 4. Can you times it by yourself? 72 times 4. Can you please like 72 times 4 please? Like the others.
Oh, because I'm in an IT, so I'm gonna do this next and I'll write it here.
Okay. 72 times 4. What is the answer?
Ooh, under 72 times 4. Oh.
So if you know the answer, write the answer on the next small box.
Wait a minute, miss.
Yeah.
72 times
4.
4, it means like 2 times 4. Like 4 times 2, it's like, then that means it's 8, right?
Yeah.
So I write 8 here.
Yeah.
And then 7 times 0.
No. 7 times 4.
Oh.
Like this. 72 times 4. So you times 4 with 2.
8.
And 4 with 7.
Calculating.
Calculating 7, yeah. 7 times 3 is 21. So if you plus another 7, it will be, yeah. Put 20.
I already got it.
Yeah, so your answer will be 288. And the book's answer is 300. You're close. Good job. Okay, next is for the 25 centimeter. We will not do the pendulum, but what you need to do is compare the 25 centimeter with 1 centimeter again. Not again. I mean, this before we compare 16 with 1, yeah. Now can you please compare 25 centimeter with 1 centimeter? You can make 25 centimeter is how many times longer than 1 centimeter? 25 centimeter, how many times longer than this one?
5. 25.
Yeah, right, 25. 25 times longer than 1 centimeter. You can write that.
Where? Over here.
Yeah, in the 20 centimeter box for the length. Then 1.
25. What?
25 centimeter. Do you see the number? 25 centimeter.
Is 5 times 25 times.
And if it's longer, it will swing faster or slower?
Slower.
Slower. How many times slower? So we have 25 here. Remember, this is the key of the number again. What times what equals 25? What?
5 times 5.
Good job. So it means, if this is for the length.
Then wait.
Yeah.
The last word over there from the 25 centimeter, what is that?
Longer than 1 centimeter. 25 is for the length, so the 5 is for the frequency or the swing. Emma, teacher, can you read this? If 25 is for the length, so the 5 is for this is swing how many times faster or slower. So the upper number is for 25 and the lower number is for 5. The lower number is for swing faster or slower. So if you already write here 25 times longer than 1 centimeter for the length, can you please write in the next box for the frequency how many times faster or slower? If you already decide, oh, I want to use this 25 longer than 1 centimeter, so the swing will be fast or slower? You already said slower, so you write 5 times slower than 1 centimeter.
5 times slower than 1 centimeter.
Yeah.
Where?
So if it's slower, you will divide or times. If it's lower, you will multiply or divide. If it's lower, divide. Okay, can you please divide the number from the number from 1 centimeter? How many number that you have from 1 centimeter? 288, right? Can you please divide it by 5? Yeah, you're right. 288 divided by 5. There is the division with remainders.
Kira.
I don't know. She didn't say anything like you before. 288 divided by 5.
I draw that.
What is your answer, Tisha?
57 best thing.
Good job.
Why do you know?
Yeah, because 7 times 5 is 35 minus it. Okay, so write your answer on the last box, the small.
Alright. What do I write?
No. Jadi ini selalu ini caranya. Itu dia dari angka ini harus ini. Karena kita comparing this one and this one. So this number times how many? So okay, and now this one over here. So because it's lower, you need to define. Because factor is always with x, and so it's always with division. Okay, so if it's lower, you need to divide. Always you need to divide. So you need to divide by yeah. How many? How many was that?
I was there. 57.
Yeah,
Or
rust.
3.
Or 3, it's rusty or reminder.
57 rusty.
Yeah. Okay. And the answer from the books is 60 centimeters. You're close. So you can pick a close. Or you can pick for the right actually. It's not too much different. Okay, next for 64 centimeter. Okay, 64 centimeter from the, okay, you have 16, 1, 25, and now you have 64. Which number that you can compare with? 25? And are you sure? If 25 can be divided by 5, but 64 cannot be divided by 5. Can you please make this number into the number that can be divided with the same number? 25 with 5. Maybe the possibility is only for these two. Or can be this 16 can be divided by 4. How about 64? Can it be divided by 4? 64 divided by 4? You can coret-coret too. 64 divided by 4. Actually, if you want to make it easy, you can just choose the 1. But you can choose 16 too. You can compare with 16. 64 divided by 4 equals yeah.
I don't know.
64 divided by
16.
yeah. And 64 can be divided by 4 too, right? That's 4. Okay, now you guys decide. Which one do you want to do? You compare 64 with 1 or 64 with 16 for this equation. For 64 equation. Which one do you want to compare? You can discuss 1 or 16.
16.
16?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do 16. And 64 from 16. Okay. Before I said both of these can be divided by 4. Okay. So 64 centimeter pendulum is longer or shorter than this one? 64 is longer or shorter than 16? Okay, you write 64 centimeter, 4 times longer. And 16. Can write that?
Four times longer. No, 64 centimeter. 4 times is 4 times longer than 16. No,
Yeah.
I have to write 4 times.
This one.
I have to write that.
Yeah.
4 times longer than 16.
Yeah. And then we have here the key of the number 4.
Wait, miss. Isn't it supposed to be 64 centimeter is 4 times longer than 16 or only 4 times longer than 16?
Actually, yeah, you can add centimeter here. But if you 64 centimeter, 4 times longer than 16 centimeter. That's the perfect one. But if you want to do only the 16 because there is no space for centimeter, it's okay. You already understand. Okay, we have 4 for the key. How many? What times what equals 4?
4 times what? 1.
No? The same number.
4 times what equals 4?
What times what equals 4?
2 times 6. 2 times 6.
Yeah, so write 2 here. And this is for the next one. This is for the swinger faster or slower. If it's longer, it will swing
Slower.
So you write 2 times slower. Sorry, my handwriting. Then 16 centimeter. Write for the next box.
2 times slower than 16 centimeter?
Yep. And if it's lower, what we should do?
Divide.
Okay. You will divide the number with by 2. But what number will be here? You compare this with 16 centimeters. So what number will you write on the left? You kan tadi kalian compare 64 sama 16. Kita lagi mau cari tahu yang 64 nih. Tapi kita compare kan sama 16. Kita harus what number we should write over here? From which one? From which number? You already know the number from here. 1, 2, 3. You already get the number here. There, right? And now which number that we should go for this one? From these 3. Before we compare 64 with 16. Can we do 288 there? What do you think? If we compare this and this, can we do for? Can we go for this number and we can write it here? Can we? No. So which number can we compare? If you say, okay, this one you cannot do, and this one you cannot do. So which number you? Only this one, right? And you write there. You write this number. 72 divided by 2. What? Okay.
I can look up.
Do you know why? Because you compare 1664 with 16 and guess why you only can use this one. You compare this one with this one, and you can use this one, but you cannot do this. So always which one which number will you go? I'm like, are you 72 divided by 2? Already got it? 72 divided by 2.
72 divided by 2.
Lisa, let's go together with me. 72 divided by 2. How many 2 that can be reaching 7, but not more than 7? How many times? 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is
2.
huh? 2 times 3 equals?
Oh, it's 36.
Okay. How many times can you reach 7? How many times of 2?
1.
The closest.
3.
Yeah. 3 times 2 equals 6. You subtract 7 minus 6 is
1.
1. And then 2 goes down. 12 divided by 2. How many 2 that can be reached? Can be reaching 12?
6.
Yeah. So the answer is 36. And the book's answer is 37. Okay, just make it right there. You can pick for the right. Okay, now for the last one, I want you to do by yourself.
Oh no!
Oh no! Oh no!
No!
Kayak lagu. Okay, can you please compare it with? You can decide what number will you compare, and then we will do together but individually. Will you compare the 4 centimeter with 1 or with 16?
16.
Okay, but for me the easiest one is with 1. You can choose, but whatever. Trisha and Emma, you can choose which one, 1 or 15. 1 or 16. Okay, then go for 16.
Yeah,
Okay, Emma goes with 1 and then Trisha goes with 16.
And then which one right?
You can decide which one do you want to follow, 1 or 16.
1.
So you will have both answers. 16. Okay, this is 4.
What do you have to write?
Wait, you need to count before you write.
Count what and what?
If you follow my explanation, you will know what you should count. I will write first. Tricia was comparing 4 with 16, and Emma compared 4 with 1. Yeah. Okay. These both can be divided by 4. So the key number is 4, Trisha. And this one? 4 and 1. What is the key number?
1.
1 or which one? 1 or 4?
1.
1 or 4?
1.
What? Are you sure?
I think so.
Wait. 4 times. It's 4. 4 because this one, how many times? 4 centimeter. How many times shorter than this? How many times longer than this one?
4.
4. So the
4 times longer than 1 centimeter like that.
yeah. So you write that's the same but a little bit different.
Then the second box is 4 times slower than 1 centimeter.
Yeah, you're right. But for Tricia, you compared with this one. So 4 times centimeter is shorter or longer? Shorter. If it's shorter, it will go faster or slower?
Faster.
Okay, faster. How many times faster?
Ini 4 times slower than 1 centimeter.
How many times?
2.
2. Good job. 4 centimeter will go slower. This is longer. And this is slower. How many times, Emma? How many times slower?
4 times slower.
Are you sure? 4? What is the next number?
1. 4.
No. This is 4. The key number is 4. What times 1 equals 4?
1. It's 2.
Yeah. 2. So you write you write 4 times longer than 1 centimeter, and next one is 2 times slower than 1 centimeter. For Tisha, you write 4 times shorter than 16 centimeter and 2 times faster than 16 centimeter, right? And if you're done, you can times the number by yourself.
Wait, time for divide.
Oh, you divide. Yeah. Divide with, what number will you divide? Yeah. You compare
1 divided by 2.
eh? You compare it with 1 centimeter, right? Can you take a look for the final answer from your 1 centimeter? What number is that?
1 divided by 4.
No, the number, the last number.
Last number. 1 divided
The
by
last number, the last box.
2 divided by 1.
This one. So this is the last number.
Then 2. Then 1 divided by. Or 4 divided by. Then
288 divided by. And so you go
this. 288 divided by 2.
to the one, and you have faster or slower. You times it with yeah. And you times it.
Is it 108? Wait. Try and time.
Almost right, but yeah, the first is 1.
100 and 44.
Yeah, good job. 70 times 2? What answer?
144.
Oh, Okay, let's take a look for the answer. Yeah, the answer is 150. You're so close. You're close.
Close.
You're close, yeah. Yay! Teaching notes 8 done. Whoa.
I can't wait for the next page.
Okay, I'll take a look for 9 first. The 9's at the 59. We still have like 5 more minutes before you switch class.
So it's a free time?
Yeah, but we need to do our balance first. Our balance. Our pendulum.
Then it's a free time.
After that, free time.
Oh, for how many minutes?
Oh, okay, wait.
I don't want to swim. It's so long I can't swim. Then I would sleep at night. I smell like nothing. Why are your eyes so shiny?
This one takes long. Okay, you can break time. We will do it tomorrow.
Break time! Oh, there's a piece of paper I can draw. I think I brain. No. Ow.